Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about the different types of networks and the most important network devices, explained in a very simple way so beginners can easily understand. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Types of networks and network devices. Let's begin with the basics. We'll look at the types of networks first, and then explore the core devices that make these networks work. Everything will be explained in a clear, simple manner. PAN, Personal Area Network. A PAN, or Personal Area Network, is the smallest and most personal type of network. It works in a very short range, usually just a few meters around you. Examples include your phone connecting to Bluetooth headphones, a smartwatch, or a wireless mouse connected to your laptop. The main purpose of a PAN is simple. It helps your personal devices communicate with each other over short distances. LAN, Local Area Network. Next is LAN, a local area network. This type of network covers a small and specific area. You'll find LANs inside homes, schools, offices, and small businesses. LANs are important because they let devices share files, printers, and communicate internally. Most importantly, a LAN allows all connected devices to access the internet. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network, is larger than a LAN. It usually covers a city or a large institution. Some examples include city-wide Wi-Fi, networks used in college campuses, and government networks that connect multiple buildings. A MAN connects multiple LANs together to form a bigger shared network. WAN, Wide Area Network. A WAN, or Wide Area Network, covers a huge geographical area, across states, countries, and even continents. WANs are used by banks, large companies, governments, and internet service providers. The biggest WAN in the world is the internet itself. WANs use routers, fiber cables, satellites, and other long-distance technologies to connect faraway networks. Network devices. Now let's move on to the different networking devices we'll be discussing: routers, switches, modems, firewalls, access points, servers, and clients. Router. A router connects different networks together. It directs data to the correct destination, just like a traffic police officer controlling the flow on a busy road. Your home router connects your LAN to the internet, and it also provides basic security through features like NAT. Routers help reduce congestion by routing packets efficiently. Switch. A switch connects devices inside the same LAN. Unlike a hub, it sends data only to the correct device instead of broadcasting it to everyone. You'll find switches in offices and server rooms. They're efficient, fast, and create separate communication paths for multiple devices. Switches also support VLANs, which help with better network segmentation and security. Modem. A modem connects your home to your internet service provider. It converts signals from your ISP into data your devices can understand. Without a modem, you simply can't access the internet. There are different types of modems like DSL, cable, and fiber. A modem works together with a router to provide internet access to multiple devices. Firewall. A firewall acts as the security guard of your network. It filters incoming and outgoing traffic to block harmful or suspicious connections. Firewalls can be hardware-based or software-based. They detect unusual patterns and can stop potential attacks, making them essential for preventing malware and unauthorized remote access. Server. A server is a powerful computer built to store data, manage resources, and provide essential services. It's designed to run continuously, handle heavy workloads, and support many users at the same time. Servers are central to networks and data centers and deliver services like websites, emails, databases, and file storage. They can be physical or virtual and play a huge role in cloud and enterprise environments. Thank you. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tech content. Thanks for watching. If you want more tech tutorials and simplified explanations, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.